Okay, let's see if we can make it easier for us to use the programs that we have in the right way that they're made for. This here is Grearth, and you can see it's blank right now. There's nothing on it. Up here, you'll see the Earth, and it says Start Polling. Once you click on that, you are polling. You're taking radar, you're taking satellite, anything that you need is now starting to come into the program. You'll see over here it says layers, and you have all these layers that don't have anything clicked in here. Right now I'm going to click on the Storm Prediction Center Outlook, and you can see. So now I could zoom in down here, and right over here where it says Sampler, you can see category, hello, at the green. Now over here it says none. Back down to the green. Now I'll click that off. And let's do radar. Okay, so now the radar is up. You can come down to here. And my radar is going to look different than the radar that you guys have. I added different color tables into it to make it look different and stand out. Everybody's different, with what colors they like and, and whatnot. Alright, so now you'll see these triangles over here. That's for your hail. If you see it outlined, it, is a small hail. You can read all in there. You'll see the cell number, the POSH, which is the probability of severe hail. The tops of the cloud, that is 20.5 thousand feet on that cell there. Let me see if I can find any that is. Oh no. Okay, so now over here is the play button. If you hit play, it takes a couple minutes to actually get going good. Once again, it's got to pull all the info into this program. But you can see now that it is working right. And you can see it in motion. Now what I'm going to do is stop it. I'll come up again, and now I'm going to hit goes. That's your satellite. When I click on it, there's the satellite. Right now I have the eastern visible chosen. You can come up to the windows here, and the first one says the Goes Manager. Click on the Goes Manager, and there's your product that you have. By clicking the infrared, you can see it changes. You go to the water vapor, changes. You can do Eastern Tropical for, you have the, what is it, Tropical Storm Eduardo or whatever it is. Here's the West Coast. Down here, there's Hawaii. So you can see just Hawaii. I'll go back to the Eastern for me. And I'll zoom back down on it. Right here you can see the cold front that's sweeping into the northeast now. You can see all the dry air behind it over here. You can tell that, you get the real rich moisture being pushed up ahead of the front. I'm going to click off of that. I'll click off of there. And now I'm going to come over to this one here, the Meso Overlay. I'm going to click it. These lines that pop up, they're just the surface pressure. Once again, if you come up to the windows here and you go to the Meso Manager, you'll see over here that the overlay. By clicking this, I can get the 10-meter winds. If I go up to right here where it says fill, I can click fill. That's the current temperatures right now. So you can see if you come down, let me move it up over here. And again, down in this area here, you're going to see what the temperature is. If you click in an area, 71.8, 72.4. Come down in here, 95.4. You know, so just basically shows you everything. So now I'll click that off. I'll undo that. I'll undo that. Here's your watches. If there was any watches, you could have them visible just by clicking the watch outline or the watch fill up here. I'll go down to Mezzo. If there was a mesoscale discussion, you could click on that box here and it will pop up. There is none right now, so that's why nothing is popping up on it. This one here, the National Hurricane Center. Okay. So there, you can see that it shows all the different models, the 3 different colors for the different models that get fed into this. Here's the Invest right now, the 92A. And if you click on, hold it over, you'll see that's the GFS and all the other models that they have. If you see a T, that means they think that it's going to be a tropical storm, that area. You can see the 1, the 2, it's a category 1, category 2 storm. The orange things, rings around it, they are, you know, the pattern, the area that it's going to go into. Meters, that's how you get the temperatures. Once again, you can come up over to here, and you can click on the meter, and you can click weather, dew points, the winds, the wind gust, the wind chill, heat index. I keep mine on temperature. You can unclick that. Click the LSR. And then up over here, you'll see this. It shows a non-thunderstorm wind gust. And the source was the Coast Guard. Over here's lightning. I'll click into some of these cells down here. Yeah, right in here. Shows that little thing. It says occasional lightning. That here, occasional lightning, 1 in the last 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see during a real bad, severe storm, you'll have a bunch of different colors. Like over here, actually. That's frequent. That's 6 in the last minute. There's frequent. That's 5 in the last 1 to 2 minutes. There's warnings. I don't see any warnings that are out now. Once again, you can come up over to here and show the warning. Actually, no. Show the watch one here. You can click that and keep it up in the corner, and every time a new watch will come, it will pop up here. You know, we'll give you the description, the type, and the time it expires, just so you're always 1 step ahead of everybody else. This here is spotters. It shows all the different spotters, what their name is, their rank, cell phone numbers that they have them, email addresses, their website names, and, you know, pretty much everything. You're always going to want to have it right here. If you have your radar up, the QC reflectivity. If you click the raw, you can see it has all the little rings around everywhere. It just doesn't give, you know, a clear look at everything. Here's my warnings down here. I have the marine one clicked. I have flash flood clicked, thunderstorm, and tornado. And that's pretty much how you use Grearth for every single thing. And actually, let me do one more. The models. Again, you can come back up to here, and you can click the model manager. And over here, it shows what model that you're clicked on now is the NAM. My fill is reflectivity. I could click down to here to temperatures, and that shows the different temperatures at what time. You can click weigh in on it, say for Oklahoma, and you can have it go and play through. And down over here again, the sample, it will show you the temperature that you're over now. That's 90.7. Come over to Oklahoma City, and you're 90.4, and it gives the hour in Zulu time. So if you're not familiar with the Zulu time, there's stuff online where you could type in what the Zulu time is opposed to Central Daylight Time, Eastern Daylight Time. So that's the first video that I've done, and like I said, I'm going to do a couple more of these to try to make everybody understand what we have and what products we have, and you know why we don't need to go and buy every other product that comes out, because they all do the same thing. It's you just got to learn and understand how to use them. So I hope this is good. Anybody have any questions, you can always ask me, and I will try to help you out with them. If I can't, there's plenty of websites that I know that can enlighten you on what you need to look through. With that being said, I am